for tuning in. On this episode of Dance Garage, this video is sponsored by Super Clean. Super Clean has a whole bunch of products, and we are going to be reviewing and testing them out today to see if they are yay or nay. Hey Dan, run that intro.
Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. As Ashley said, we have a full array of Super Clean products here to test out today. We have a Super Clean Degreaser, which is just your standard spray degreaser. We have a foaming degreaser, which the foam helps it stick to what you're trying to degrease a lot better. We have an aerosol degreaser, which is good for those hard to reach spots. And then we have the all-wheel cleaner. And then if we do make any messes, we got a floor absorbent, which we're going to use out on Albert's car, because his car made a mess. So this does not make me happy. The leaks on this thing really bother me, so I want to try and clean some of this up and see if I can see if it's just the seal from the pan or if there's something else going on. You can see there's at least one bolt missing from the tranny pan, and it's real wet down here. Got some drips at the front, so I really need to clean this off and see if it's leaking from the top or the bottom. Alright guys, so down here I'm going to be using the Super Clean aerosol can, just because it seems like it's going to be a lot easier to apply. I got the camera way back because I don't want to get the camera clean, obviously. So I'm going to start up here. Everything, of course, is cool, and we're going to soak it up, and then we'll rinse it off with cold water. Wow, spray's really nice. Coats really well. Big open fan. I just want to spray everything down here. It seems like it's coating really well here. So we'll let it sit for a minute and then we'll come back and rinse it off in cold water. Now this obviously would be a lot easier if you're cleaning the top of your engine or something that's not underneath the car or truck. But we'll start with this. So look at these drips. You can see these drips are all dark because they still have the grease in them. I have not rinsed that yet. Look at the other side. It's like clear water bubbles. I mean, if that's not an example of how great this stuff works, I don't know what is. Guys, look at this. Look how clean this thing is. I mean, it looks like it's a fresh engine put together. A little bit of water still dripping off of it, but I haven't wiped it down. I want you guys to see the progress as we go. Look at this inspection plate. I mean, I didn't hit the whole thing as good as I would have liked, but you can see where I did spray. The Super Clean did an amazing job. And this is the bottom of the oil pan. I mean, it looks brand new. Inside the garage, we're going to try another one of the Super Clean products. Albert was here with his car, and he had a little leak in his oil filter housing, so we had to reseal that. And left this lovely mess of oil. So we're going to try the Super Clean Floor Absorbent, and we're going to see how it works. Not looking too good, guys. Well, sucking up the fluid, so I guess that's really what it's supposed to do, is absorb the fluid. So, I think what I'm going to do is follow this up after I clean it up with some of the Super Clean cleaner, and I bet we'll clean the stains off. Now keep in mind, this is a bare cement garage floor. It's not sealed with any of those fancy things, because, you know, that's not how we roll here at Dan's Garage. But if you did have one of those nice sealed garage floors, this would probably clean up amazing. But this is soaking up the fluid, which is what it's supposed to do. So we're going to clean this up, and then we'll come back with some of the Super Clean cleaner and see what that does. So we can probably honestly use some of this, because you can use it over and over if it's not completely used up, and put it on other spots. Alright, so the absorbent did its job. It soaked up the liquid. You can see it's stained because, again, my garage is not sealed, the floor. So what we're going to do is follow up with the Super Clean Degreaser, and we're going to get rid of some of these spots.
Woo! Super Clean Degreaser. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. What's going to happen, Dan?
Wow, look at that.
That's a lot of work, though, for one little spot, dude.
Yeah, it is. But again, this is not a sealed garage. If my garage was sealed, like if it was tile, like a bathroom or kitchen or something, you put stuff on that, it'll soak it right up.
Yeah, but how many garages are sealed?
I don't know, probably most of this good mechanics, not here at Dan's Garage. Okay, so just to be fair, I did use some of this oil absorbent that I've had. I've used this stuff before, and if you see, we clean it away, it actually still looks moist under there, where the Super Clean, it's pretty much dry. And this is stuff I've previously used, so I think it actually does work better than that stuff, so we're definitely going to give it a thumbs up on that. The spots that we did clean and then wipe away, I actually did try using some purple power on this spot and the Super Clean over here on this spot, and I honestly do believe that the Super Clean cleaned it better than the purple power here, so I wanted to kind of test them both out and see. And again, this is an unsealed garage floor. You want to get to any leaks as quickly as possible. As you can tell from this garage, I have not been very good at that, from the C10 being here and leaking a whole bunch. But as far as the Super Clean is concerned, I would give it a thumbs up. The last product we have to test out is the Super Clean Wheel Cleaner. Now this stuff is designed to release brake dust and grime from your wheels. Now I don't have wheels, I just have hubcaps, and they are just dirty, but we're going to give it a try and see how it works. So you can see it's got that foaming tip. That helps it to stay on there a little bit better. Of course, gravity still gets the best of it. But you can see this is up there nice. It's going to sit on that dirt for a little bit. We'll give it about 30 seconds, then we'll rinse it off. Now I want to show you guys this. It is actually taking the dirt off of the hubcap and dragging it down with it. So it's actually cleaning the wheel before you even touch it. So that's pretty cool stuff. Wow, I am really impressed at how well this Super Clean all wheel cleaner works. I honestly thought I was going to have to spray it a second time and maybe even use the brush to get the dirt off of the outside of the hubcap here, but it looks beautiful. It looks really nice. I'm actually very impressed on how well this stuff works. I'm going to try this on this old wheel and see how it does. Again, that is amazing. Look at the top of this wheel, how nice and clean that is. Of course, this wheel's been sitting around for 20 or 30 years, and it does have some rust on it, which rust is not going to come off with degreaser. But the spots that were just dirty and greasy, man, they look good. So on this wheel, I just sprayed this half of the wheel. We're going to go rinse it off and see what it looks like. Again, look at this side where I sprayed, and I didn't brush it, I didn't do anything, I just sprayed it on and let it sit for 30 seconds and rinsed it off. This side, I did not spray, and it looks terrible. This side, again, I didn't even touch it, and the stuff comes right off with this. And now, just to make a point, I'm going to spray this side with water just to see if it would have come off with water alone, so you guys don't think that I'm joking around. Okay, so now I just rinse this side off, and it may look good on video, but I'm going to zoom in here so you can see this. So you can see the side that I didn't spray is cleaner, but it's still got some dirt in here. And the super clean side, there's nothing. So this stuff really works. Wow. All I gotta say is wow. I am really impressed with this stuff. I've used other cleaners in the past. I'm sure you guys have too. But this product really works. I think my favorite is probably that all-wheel cleaner. You saw how it just drug the grease and grime and dirt right off of my hubcaps on my truck, on my ramp truck. And it just really cleaned it off without even touching the wheel. No touch at all, just spray it on, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then go ahead and hose it off. That all-wheel cleaner really works well. The rest of the products work really good too. So if you have anything to clean at your house, which I'm sure you do, your shop, your car, your lawnmower, your oven, your RV, I mean, there's a ton of uses for this stuff. If you want to pick some up, go check out the link below, or you can go look in your local auto parts store or hardware store. I'm going to go find something else to clean.
Woo! Wait, before you go, we have a huge announcement. We're going to be doing another giveaway, this time of Super Clean products. That's crazy, right? 2 giveaways already?
That's right, Ashley. Super Clean is allowing us to give away one of these aerosol degreasers and also a spray degreaser, and as an extra added bonus, you get a hat also.
If you want to win this giveaway, comment down below, I want to win. And make sure you're subscribed with the post notifications on so you know when we go live, which should be Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, that's it for this episode. You can leave comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications when new videos are uploaded.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay positive, keep on wrenching.
Ew, that looks so gross. That looks so gross.
Stay back there. You'll be far away, no one will see it.
Literally look disgusting. It's so bright.
I can't believe you're not wearing a Dan's Garage shirt, but whatever.
Offline, honey. Offline.
You realize this is going online. Yeah. You know how they work, how they perform.
I didn't pay attention to a word of that, so repeat. What are you doing?
This is very white. I'm trying to get it out of the shot.
This?
Yeah.
You're like...
Looks better. Leak, so we had to replace the gasket on the oil filter. Can I remember anything I'm supposed to say? See what that does.
Hey, let me get on this video, man.
Hey, man, this is not you. Get out.
Hold on.
Well,
Dan's Garage subscribers, your man did it again. I was in a crunch, heading to Wilmington like I did on that last trip with the Hyundai, and apparently I was leaking so much oil that I left a trail from here to Chapel Hill. It was the oil filter housing gasket. Look it up, people.
Everybody needs a friend like Albert, so you have something to do when you're when you don't have 15 other cars to be working on.
He's a genius, and he's a good friend. Good job, thanks.
Yeah, well, that's the absorbent. So
that again?
That absorbs the
It's an absorbent or an absorbitant?
absorbent.
Okay.
I read the page. The book.
It is an absorbent.
So that's an absorbent.
Right?
I mean, look at that. I can see my reflection. Hi, Dan's Garage. And see how they go. Darn it. See how they work would have been a great ending to that.